Join us as we explore the hidden gems of Yen Tafo, Thailand's beloved pink broth noodle dish. Today, we're uncovering 3 local favorites, each with unique flavors. From creative toppings to traditional twists, these under-the-radar spots are cherished by locals. Don't miss out as we journey through different neighborhoods to reveal what makes these Yen Tafo bowls must-tries. Let's dive in. We start our today journey at Chan Road. Our route begins from here, then we'll take bus number 22 to Lum Sali intersection. After that, we'll take another bus number 8 to Chok Chai 4 Road. Our first destination is at Chan 57 Alley. Here it is, Ban Mai Yen Tafo. We've never tried this shop before, but their reviews seem to be very positive. So let's see. What we do love here is that they use only young and fresh morning glory, which is so crunchy, yet not too tough like the full-grown one. Their fish balls are also nice. Anyway, their Yen Tafo sauce is a bit sweet, so be aware of that. Chan Road is another venue that got many famous shops along the way. We definitely got to get back here in the future. Well, time to move on. After get off at Lum Sali, walk toward Ram Kam Hang, 58 Thirds Alley. Just a few minutes walk from Main Road. Here's our destination. Song Posh Chana. This is also our first time at this shop. We're here just because of the very nice reviews of this shop. Usually for Yen Tafo, we might see only fried fish skin, but here they use both the meat and skin. Crispiness and saltiness of this ingredient really make this shop stand out from others. Another ingredient we like is this fried pork ball. This shop just become one of our favorite. We'll be back again for sure. Alright, let's get going to the next destination. Just head back to the Mall Bangkapi to get the bus number 8 to Chok Chai 4 Road. But before leaving, let's have a little tour in this Happyland Market area first. Well, this should be enough. Let's get going. As of now, Chok Chai 4 is our most favorite food venue. We'll have another video solely dedicated to this area later. Today, we're here just for the Yen Tafo. We'll take this mini pickup to Chok Chai C49 Alley. The next one is currently our most favorite Yen Tafo. We've been here several times already, though it's quite far from our place. Here it is. This super crispy fried shrimp does elevate the overall taste of this dish. The Yen Tafo sauce here got strong taste as well. Just add a little sugar and vinegar. One ingredient we love to have in Yen Tafo is this crackling. It's a must-have in every kind of noodle. Well, this is it for our Yen Tafo tour. If you enjoyed this video, you may want to watch another one here where we explore Nonthaburi one whole day. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey to discover the hidden gems of Yen Tafo. We hope you're inspired to try these local favorites and experience the unique touches that make each bowl unforgettable. See you again next week.